Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the bullets have some charge. Plug the USB-C for 10-15 minutes if needed. Once done, locate the inline module on the right side and find the small power button. This is the only way to switch them on. Make sure the earbuds aren't magnetically latched together, because that can keep them sleeping. Press and hold that power button so you can move to pairing. This first action wakes the device and starts the LED and voice cues. Now press and hold the power button for about 2 to 4 seconds. You want a deliberate press, not a tap. While you hold, watch the LED. A steady or flashing blue usually means the unit is powering or entering pairing. This confirms the button press worked. You'll also hear a voice prompt like power on or pairing, which helps you know exactly what state you're in. If you reach this point, release the button and proceed to connect from your phone. Finish by opening Bluetooth on your phone and selecting Bullet's Wireless Z2 from the list. The device should pair immediately after the power sequence. If you don't see LED or hear the voice prompt, make sure the unit has charge. Leave it charging for 30 minutes, then try the same hold again. If it still won't power on, perform a reset by holding the power button plus volume up for about 10 seconds. That clears hiccups and forces a fresh power cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.